Rehovot, the city of science and culture, with a population of 150,000 residents. The city's superb educational system, academic institutions at the forefront of science and research, and quality residents make Rehovot a leading city for growth and development. According to a survey conducted by the Central Bureau of Statistics, Rehovot was selected as the city with the highest quality of life in Israel. The 11,000 students who study at the Weizmann Institute, the Faculty of Agriculture, the Paris Academic Center, and other institutions give the city a youthful, vibrant, and educated air. The Rehovot municipality is currently working with the Rehovot development company Heller to implement a strategic plan that will solidify the city's status as a leading center for business research and development. The Tamar Rehovot Science and Industrial Park is the jewel of the city's business sector. The park combines accelerated business activity and development in the high-tech industry with lively entertainment venues open throughout the day. It also includes a hotel for business guests, student dormitories, a conference hall, gourmet restaurants and cafes, a transportation terminal, and a highly accessible train station. Tamar Park has over 98% occupancy by leading companies in the fields of biotechnology and tech development. Rehovot is home to 230 startups, the sixth largest concentration of startups in Israel, with expertise in life sciences, medical devices, biotechnology, nanotechnology, and 3D printing. The park's area is expected to grow by hundreds of thousands of meters and will be connected directly to Route 431. Horowitz Park, the new and flourishing industrial area in the western part of Rehovot. This park is designated for industry, high-tech, business offices, and commerce. The Paris Institute is also located in the park. Horowitz Park is located near the new residential neighborhoods in West Rehovot. It's also adjacent to the new interchange, which significantly shortens the trip to nearby cities and to the main travel routes in the area. Plans for additional rail lines within the park have been approved, and a new railway station will be built within the next few years. This will make access to and from the park much more convenient. The overall area of the park will also grow by an additional 1 million square meters. Business residents of the park are granted VIP status that simplifies the process of licensing, provides ongoing support by Heller, excellent accessibility and proximity to the world's leading research centers, and quality human resources. These assets make Rehovot a major metropolis at the forefront of technology, science, economy, and business in Israel.